So we found a leak. It was in there. It was tracking into the wall. So I capped it off, tested it, and it was all good. That one needs to come out. I'm gonna take a pipe from there on the outside. I'm gonna bring it all the way across here, through there, and then on the outside somewhere. So yeah, bring it through into the pipe up there. Done. Cut my pipe, I was just about to drill, and then I looked up, and there's a pipe there. So I'm gonna have to bring it a bit further out, drill through. Tackle coming around here now. So I'm just getting the pipe over. It's not the best job I've ever done, but it's the only way I can do it. Just going to bring it all the way along there now. Wish I could find my profile now, because I'm having to use fittings. Not ideal, but it is what it is. So yeah, perfect. Into there, and now I've just got to connect it up to the original gas pipe, as I think that is all okay. So that's the first job done of the day. Nice bit of gas run. Yeah, it weren't too bad in the end. I need to find my guide though for my benders. Don't know what I've done with it, which is a bit of a pain in the arse, but it is what it is. Right, on to the next one now. Got a leaking tap, and then I've got to go and look at a boiler breakdown. So here goes. So I've just come home, the radiator's just been delivered because my downstairs kitchen is absolutely freezing. So, hello, there's my son. I thought I'd install a new rad behind here. So this is what I'm dealing with right now. Just what you need when you come home from work. And my daughter's just had a car crash as well. Great, let's crack on. Oh, yeah. Any time today. Sometime today would be great. Thank you. Nice washing's out. Hello, here's my wife. Good job. Don't drop it. I don't know why all the food's out on the side, but it's not normally like this in my house, I promise. Washing. Right, oh God. There's my bolt. Oh, shit. Whoops. Lucky it ain't in a customer's house. Never mind. It's in my own. That's what happens when you're trying to film and do plumbing. he's safe. That's the main thing.
Huh? You've got no power mode, you're not recording anything at the moment.
No. Oh well, I'm gonna have to get that sorted. Lovely. So, this is what we're installing. My son thinking he's some kind of Batman. Yeah, so let's put this in. Happy days. Right, Rad's all in. Little bit of a pig, but got there in the end. Yeah, not too bad.